Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's have a quick look at how to trade breakouts using triangles. The third way you can spot breakout opportunities is by looking for triangles. Triangles are formed when the market price starts off volatile and begins to consolidate into a tight range. Our goal is to position ourselves when the market consolidates so that we can capture a move when a breakout occurs. There are three types of triangles: A. Ascending triangle, 2. Descending triangle, and 3. Symmetrical triangle. Ascending triangles. Ascending triangles form when there is a resistance level and the market price continues to make higher lows. This is a sign that the bulls are slowly starting to gain momentum over the bears. The story behind an ascending triangle is that each time the price reaches a certain high, there are several traders who are convinced about selling at that level, resulting in the price dropping back down. On the other side, there are several traders who believe the price should be higher, and as the price begins to drop, buy higher than its previous lows. The result is a struggle between the bulls and the bears, which ultimately converges into an ultimate slowdown. What are you looking for is a breakout to the upside, since ascending triangles are generally bullish signals. When we see a breach of the resistance levels, the proper decision could be to go long. Descending triangles. Descending triangles are basically the opposite of ascending triangles. Sellers are continuing to put pressure on the buyers, and as a result, we start to see lower highs met by a strong support level. Descending triangles are generally bearish signals. To take advantage of this, our goal is to position ourselves to go short if the price should break out below the support level. Symmetrical triangles. The third type of triangle is the symmetrical triangle. Rather than having a horizontal support or resistance level, both the bulls and the bears create higher lows and lower highs and form apex somewhere in the middle. Unlike the ascending and descending triangles, which are generally bullish and bearish signals, symmetrical triangles have no directional bias. You must be ready to trade a breakout on either side. In the case of the symmetrical triangle, you want to position yourself to be ready for both an upside or downside breakout. A perfect time to use the one cancels the other OCO order. Don't remember what an OCO order is? Go review your order types. In the scenario, GBP USD broke out on the upside and our long entry was triggered. Breaking down the triangle breakouts. To help you memorize the different types of triangle breakouts, just think of facial breakouts. Ascending triangles usually break out to the upside, so when you think of ascending triangles, think of breaking out on your forehead. Descending triangles usually break out to the downside, so when you think of descending triangles, think of breaking out on your chin. Symmetrical triangles can break either on the upside or the downside. So when you think of symmetrical triangles, think of breaking out on both your chin and your forehead. Here is a quick and disgusting memory tickler. Ascending triangle equals to forehead breakout. Descending triangle equals to chin breakout. Symmetrical triangle equals forehead or chin breakout. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.